continue further, kids. Now see here, expand the given numbers into ones, tens and hundreds. So they are telling to expand the numbers. This 246 is expanded as 200 plus 40 plus 6, right? Hundreds, tens, ones. Similarly, 570 is expanded as 570 0 because there is no ones. Let's start expanding this. So here how it comes, 637. So definitely it is 600 plus 30 plus 7. Similarly, to go for the 603, so 600, there is no tens and ones is 3. And then the next number is 989. 900 plus 80 plus 9. Write the simplified form of the number of given expansions. So now this side expanded form is here, we have to write a simplified numeral form, right? So it is 398. So 398. Whereas the next one is 200 plus 50 plus 6. So what will be the number? 256. The next number is 900 plus 80 plus 5. So what will be the number? 985. 557. So 557. Right. Skip counting starting from any given one. We are going to skip the counting. See here, 10, after that 1, we left 1. And here 11, after that 12, we left P. Right. We skipped the 1. Whereas if you see in the second example, it is 62, 64, 66. So here, see 62, 63, 64. There are 2 numbers. We skipped 2 numbers from here. Right. Similarly, 2 numbers are skipped. Then we have written 66 like this. We have to complete this. Complete the following by skip counting in 5s, 10s and hundreds. Let's start. See in this cup, 250, 255. So there is a difference is 5. They have skipped 5. So what will be the answer here? It is 260. If we skip 260, we will be getting, right? Then here if we skip 5 again, 265. And if we skip 5 again, we will get 270. And similarly this side it is 275. We skipped 5. The second one is 500 and 510. So now we are going to skip tens. 500, 510, 520, 530. They forgot to give. It is definitely 530. Then 540, 550. So we skipped 500, 510, 520, 530, 540, 550. The next one is 100, 200 till 600 it is there. So 100 to 200 they skipped hundreds, right? Hundreds. So next to 200 definitely it is 300. Next to 300 definitely it is 400. Next to 400 if we skip 100 we will get 500. So keep on like this. We can skip a different variety of numbers, sometimes 2, sometimes 7, sometimes 5. It's our choice, right? Then now we'll go for the comparison of number. What is written here? Ramu has 125 groundnut chocolates and Geeta has 200 groundnut chocolates. Who has more? Ramu, this boy is having 125, right? Whereas this girl is having 250. Which will be more obvious? Geeta is having the more chocolates, right? Odd numbers and even numbers. This also we have discussed in the class. Odd numbers means all single items, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 keeps on. Then even numbers are pairs, right? So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2 keeps on. Then we will get, right? Activity 5. So what you have to do in your home is you have to color the balloons with odd number by yellow, right? Here odd numbers you have to put the yellow and even number you have to go for the red. So let's check how many odd numbers are here. 125 is odd number, Then this is even number. Last number, see in the rightmost digit once we have to check. Here it is 418, so definitely 9 is coming at the end, so it is the odd number. Whereas 633, last number 3 is the odd number. 964, this 4 is coming, so it is not odd. And 787, this is also an odd number. So this 787, 633, 418, 125. All this you have to color with yellow color. Remaining thing you have to color with the red. Let's check it here. Here the odd are 3, 5, see here 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. Last number you have to check. 649, 747, 575, 780. These are the odd numbers. You have to color it with yellow. Remaining things is even. You have to color with red. You do it in your home. Your work. Fine. Circle. Activity 6. So what you have to do is circle the even number. Circle the odd number. See here 8, 69, 70, 84, 99. Which one is the even number? Even number means pair comes, right? So 8 is the even number. You have to circle it. Circle it. And 69 is the odd number, so you need not to circle this. And 70 is the even number, you have to circle this. Then 84 is the even number, so you have to circle this. Similarly, the next one 112, 131, 156, 170, 186. So here you have to circle the numbers. 112 is the even number, so you have to circle it. 131 is the odd, so leave it. 156 is even, so you have to circle it. And 170 you have to circle it. 186 you have to circle it. Circle the even numbers. Then here let's check. See the n number is 6, n number is 0, n number is 0 here, in here. So except this 303, all other things you have to circle, right? 226 circle, 300 you have to circle, then 440 you have to circle, then 478 you have to circle. Circle the even numbers in the next one. 542, 570, 570. So here it is, except this 5 you have to circle all the other things. Here 1, 8, 2, 2, 9. So except this 1 and 9. So except this 931 and 999, except these two you have to circle all the other things. Fine. Circle the odd numbers. So odd numbers means a single one. So what are they? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Wherever the end, at the end 1, 3, 5, 7 comes, you have to circle that. So where it is coming? 7, 33, 61. Circle it. And 105, 125, 151. Circle it. 219, 245, 357. Circle it. Then 555, 557, 603, 609, circle it. Then here 990, 935, 953, you have to circle it, right? This is your activity 6. Now what they are saying is greater and smaller. Amudan has 3 chocolates and his sister Meenakshi has 8 chocolates. Who has more? Amudan has 3. See, by seeing itself we can find it's little, only 3. Whereas Meenakshi is having 8. So which is more? Meenakshi having more chocolates, right? So 3 is smaller than 8. So he is having less and she is having more. 8 is greater than 3. Fine. Using the symbols. See the symbol opening. Here it's opened, right? So greater will be open and smaller will be closed. See this side also, greater is open and smaller is closed. These are greater than and smaller than symbols. You have to utilize it. Comparison of numbers with different digits. Right. So whenever in the class itself I said when we are going to compare the numbers, first we have to check the digit, then we have to go the numbers. Right. The number which has more digits is a greater number. Right. See here 115 and 18. Which has more digit? Here it is 3 digit. whereas here it is only 2 digits. So this is a more greater number, right? So 115 is greater than 89. So if you have equal digits in comparison, means how we have to compare? We have to start from the left hand side, I said. So left hand side in hundreds it is 1, whereas in hundreds it is 2. So 1 or 2, which is greater? 2 is greater. So here 250 is greater than 160. And suppose if the place, see here, then again we will compare. First we will check the digit. There are 3 digits this side and 3 digits this side. So both are equal digits. So next we will start the count number. So here in 100 it is 100. Here also it is 100. So both are equal. Let's go for the tens. Here it is 4, whereas in 50 it is 5. So which is greater? 5 is more than 4. So definitely 143 is lesser than 151. Or 151 is greater than 143. Fine. Similarly, see here there is example 141 and 148. First check the digits, 3 digits, so leave it. And you go for the number, individual, hundreds, how many hundreds? Both are equal. Check the tens, both are equal. Check the ones. Here 1 is there, whereas here it is 8. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So 148 is greater than 141. And 536, here 536. So first check the digits. There are 3 digits, so both are equal. And start with the hundreds, tens, ones. So 5, 5, 3, 3, 6, 6. So both are equal. Fine. You understood the comparing. Fine. Now we will start comparing. 103, 430. First we will check the digit. Here it is 3 digits. Here also it is 3 digits. So we have to check the number. First check the 100. It is 1. 100. It is 400. So which is greater? Definitely 400 is greater. Right. The next one, 250 and 69. Check the digits. 3 digit. Here it is 4. Sorry. Here it is 2 digits. Right. So 3 digit is greater. So you have to put a greater here. In 408, 308. So now digits are equal. You have to check the places. So 4 and here it is 3. Definitely 4 is the greater one. Here 710, 710. Check the digits equal. Check the numbers 7, 7, 1, 1, 0, 0. So both are equal. 614, 618. So check the digits, 3 digit equal. So we go for the places 6, 6, 1, 1, 4, 8. So 8 is the greater one. Here 618 is the greater. 19, 719 and 917. Both are 3 digit numbers. So check the hundreds, 7, 9. So which is greater? 9 is greater. So here 9 is greater, right? Fine. We'll move on to the ascending and descending order. Ascending, as I already said in the class, ascending means we have to go from the smallest to the bigger. Descending means from the bigger number to the smaller number, right? So here we start from smaller to the greater, and here we start from the greater to the smaller. This way we have to write. Let's start. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. See here 55, 63, 40, 8 is available. So in this, which is smaller number, we know that it is 8. Then next to 8, which number comes? It is 40. Next to that, which one comes? It is 50. Next to that, it is 63. Fine. The B, 217, 201, 215, 219. So which is the smaller one? 201, because it is 1, right? Then 1. Then which number? 15 is there, 17 is there, 19 is there. So 15 will be lesser. 215, then 217, then it is 219. Then in C, 50, 405, 109, 600. So which is smaller here? 50 is smaller. Next to that 100 comes, right? So 109. Next to that 405. Next to that 600 comes. Here all are 3 digits. So let's check which is smaller. 18 is here, 81 is here. Which is smaller? 18 is smaller, right? So we'll take up 18, 718. Then here it is 757. Then here it is 85 is here, 81 is here. So first we'll go for 81, 781. Then we'll go for 785. Right. So we have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Now let's arrange the numbers in descending order. So in descending order, see here, to descending means we have to go from the bigger to the smaller, right? So bigger to the, so now we'll start the descending. So here it is 60 smaller, 212 is next, 369 is next, and 503 is the greater number among the 4. So first we have to go with the 503. Then we have to go with the 369 because we are writing in a descending order, greater to smaller, right? So 212 next. After that 60 comes. Similarly here we'll check which is the bigger number. See here 810